Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. To Shine, and this is Prosthodontics series of fixed partial denture. In this video, we'll talk about full veneer crown, advantages, disadvantages, indication, and contraindications. So let's get started. So full veneer crown, it is a type of fixed prosthesis that covers all surfaces of the tooth. So may be fabricated of gold and metal or a combination of materials like ceramic veneer fused to metal or porcelain veneer fused to metal. You can see in the picture. So what are the advantages of full veneer crown? They are strong, they have high retentive qualities, and they can modify form and occlusion. And that there is removal of large amount of tooth structure, and there is display of metal in case of metal crowns, and they are not recommended for the anterior teeth because they have inferior aesthetics. So you can see this picture is showing that there in preparation of the tooth we have to remove a large amount of tooth structure and the tooth surfaces like lingual wall, buccal wall, they all have to be removed. They can't be remain intact. To provide these types of crown like metal crowns or other crowns like gold crowns. Now, what are the indications of full veneer crown? Teeth that have extensive coronal destructions by caries or trauma, and the trauma may be caused by previous restorations. But in this tooth you can see that it have small caries, so just you can assume that the tooth is extensively destructed by caries. And this is a purple, you can see this is acute bacteria that is causing extensive destruction. So it is a type of restoration of choice whenever maximum tension and strength is needed. Indicated on endodontically treated teeth. In case of RCT, a large amount of tooth is removed. So in this case, the only crown we can provide to the tooth is a full veneer crown. The last one is very important. That is aesthetic demand. So aesthetic demand in case of crowns like porcelain fused to metal and ceramic fused to metal. Okay? So not in case of gold and metal alloys, because gold and metal have inferior aesthetic as compared to ceramic and porcelain fused to metal. Contraindications of full veneer crown that are if there less maximum and retention and resistance is needed. It is contraindicated whenever intact buccal or lingual walls exists, so you don't need to remove it if they are intact. We can simply give this type of tooth a partial veneer crown which is not covering all the surfaces but a part of the tooth that is need to be covered. Full veneer crown is contraindicated in case of enameloplasty. What is enameloplasty? Enameloplasty is a cosmetic dental procedure to remove small amounts of tooth enamel to change a tooth size, shape, length, or surface. So you can see in case of full veneer crown, we need to remove a large amount of tooth structure. So in enameloplasty, small amount of tooth enamel is being removed. So you don't need to give a full veneer crown in this case. High aesthetic needed, it is contraindicated. So which type of crowns are contraindicated? In anterior teeth, like for example metal crowns and gold crowns. They have inferior aesthetics, so we will not recommend this type of crown for anterior teeth.